question 18, we are dividing the rational expressions. So my first step when dividing rational expressions is actually to change it to a multiplication question. So I want to copy dot flip. So I'm going to copy the first one, change it to a multiplication, and then flip the second one. So then I want to try to simplify this, and I do that by factoring. So I have four different factoring questions to do here. So the top left, I want to take out a y, leaving me with a y plus 1. The bottom left is a difference in squares. That will be a y minus 2, y plus 2. The top right will be a y plus 3, y plus 2. And then the bottom right is going to be a y minus 1 and a y plus 1. So a lot of different stuff here. Okay, here's the fun part. Y plus 2's gone. Y plus 1's gone. And that looks like it. So then I'm just going to put what's left, which is a y and a y plus 3, and then a y minus 2 and a y minus 1.